Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to this maths class. Last class, I have given homeworks. First, we will discuss those homeworks. Before that, let me tell about today's test paper. Today, maths test paper is there and Malayalam test paper is also there. That one of you intimated me, both coincides, that no problem, because for both subjects, they allotted the day Monday. So anyway, we have to conduct. Sumini, she told me she is giving like that 7 o'clock. She will give the question paper and before 10 o'clock you can submit and you can use any half an hour. So if I am conducting at 7 o'clock, that won't be a problem. So you have to prepare for both the test papers, both the Malayalam and Maths. Maths chapter similarity and ratio and proportion. 6 questions are there. So what I told, Malayalam, either you, that will be better, I think. No, otherwise Malayalam teacher is not telling any time. Between 7 and 10, any half an hour you use and submit before 10 o'clock. Max, correct 7 o'clock I will start. So after 8 o'clock only you will get the time for Malayalam. After 8 o'clock only you will get the time for Malayalam. Okay. Anyway, half an hour only you need, no? I discussed with the Sumini, so she told, okay, you can tell like that. So 7 to 8 or 7 to 7:45, it will be your maths test paper. Since both the chapters are little bit lengthy or difficult, I will give the area that the questions will come. Okay. Similarity, 3 questions are there. All should take seriously this test paper because after 2 Mondays only we are conducting and it will be out of 20. Time 45 minutes or if it is lengthy, I will make it 1. That's why what I told, after 8 o'clock you can prepare for, you can do for Malayalam. Similarity, 1 question I told, no, important question. Last class I showed with the 3 parallel lines, you had to find the unknown sides. One type will come from that. 1 question will come from that type. Second question will be coming from the type, prove that sides are proportional, PQ by QA equal to CQ by Q. That only they are telling. So you have to find out which all triangles you have to prove that they are similar. That's we have to find. They won't tell prove this triangle is similar to that triangle. Instead they will tell that prove that this side by this equal to this side by this equal to this side by this. Like that only they will give. So we have to identify which all triangles you have to prove similarity. Sometimes that figure may consist more than 2 triangles. That's why this confusion happens. No? So that type question will be there. Then 1 from area theorem. Area theorem, area ratio between the areas of 2 triangles or parallelogram will be equal to ratio between the squares of the sides. So 3 similarity questions types did you get? Why I am giving this picture? Because otherwise you may think that it's a very lengthy chapters and you won't study anything. So these are the 3 main type questions that for the test paper. And from ratio proportion, 1 type will be there, which number to be added or subtracted so that the resulting ones are in proportion or in continued proportion, that type. And 1 question from the area which consists of duplicate ratio, triplicate ratio, subduplicate, subtriplicate, compound ratio. Based on that 1 question, and another question to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. They will give 1 condition if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, or if A, B, C, D are in proportion. We will write 1 fact, and using that fact we will use in LHS, we will RH, we use in big expressions. You remember LHS and RHS, even if the expressions were very big, if you are substituting you will get either K square or K, like that you are getting. Such a question, 1 question will be there. So total 6 questions will be there. This time maths test paper is little bit lengthy, 7 o'clock, and after that you can appear for Malayalam test paper. Okay. Then 1 more request. If you miss any classes, immediately next day itself you have to tell which all class you missed. Then and you can intimate Shirley Miss. She will with the help of the office, she will send the recorded class to your mail. Okay. After many days, if you are telling, or some otherwise you intimate which all dates you need. Okay, that next day itself it will be better. That request also I have to. Then homeworks. Any homeworks are there to discuss? No, I think. Any more homeworks? No. So, I told example 5. Example 5, I told to do as homework. Hope that all of you did. You can refer the textbook itself for your whether your answer is correct or not. So, example 5 I am not discussing. Hope that it is there in your graph book. Then any other homeworks I have given from 12B? Any other homeworks? Anybody? Any other homeworks from 12B? Oh, okay. 12A, 11 and 13. 12B nothing. Okay. Got it. Now I remember. Okay, question number 11, 12A. The point Pxy is first reflected in the x-axis and then reflected in the origin to P dash. If P dash has coordinates negative 8, 5, evaluate x and y. Okay. Pxy first reflected in the x-axis, so it will become x negative y. You have to write the steps. Xy became mx xy equal to x negative y. Then mo x negative y equal, then reflected in the origin. Okay. It will become negative xy. This is our P dash. Okay. That is equal to negative 8, 5. This equal to given, this equal to negative 8, 5. So, x is equal to 8, y equal to 5. Answer is x is equal to 8 and y equal to 5. Correct. Any doubt you can ask. Otherwise, I will move to question number 13. Question number 13. No doubt, no? Okay, question number 13. The point A46 is first reflected in the origin to point A dash. Point A dash is then reflected in the y-axis to point A double dash. Write down the coordinates of A double dash. The answer is 4, negative 6. 4, negative 6. Secondly, write down a single transformation that maps A onto A double dash. Write down a single transformation that maps A onto A double dash. That is reflection in x-axis. Answer is reflection in x-axis. A to A dash, reflection in x-axis. Okay. Both the questions are easy. Then next, all of you take your graph book, and the question is there in your book. Example 6. Example 6. All of you take example 6. You take graph book. Use a graph paper for this question. Take 2 divisions as 1 unit. That's not possible now because we are using the small book. But for the exam, we will provide you, not we, the board will provide you the big sheets. It's already 2 centimeters 1 unit in that graph paper. Okay. So, you can mark as such. One box after 2 centimeter only. Next box after 2 centimeter only. So, you no need to make any changes. After each box, you make 1, 2, 3 like that. If they told 1 centimeter as 1 unit, that time only you have to split one box into 2. Got it? Board exam, they are providing the big sheet, there 2 centimeters 1 unit because all the questions they are asking as 2 centimeters 1 unit. But 1 year they ask 1 centimeter as 1 unit you have to take. And they have given this type of paper. So what you have to do? One box again you have to divide. Okay. See, this is board exam graph paper. 1, 2, 3 like that we will write. If they told that 1 centimeter as 1 unit, you have to write 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Hope that it is clear. Here 2 centimeters, 2 divisions as 1 unit. Here for the time being, for our classwork, we are taking 1 centimeter as 1 unit. Take 2 divisions as 1 unit, that we are neglecting because our paper is small one. So, what they have given the bracket, we are not considering now. Okay. So, 1, 1 each. That's why I have drawn here. Plot the points 3, 2, negative 3, negative 2. Okay, 3, 2, let me mark 3, 2. Here, P, 3, 2. I told you it's very easy. Easily you will get the mark for plotting 3, 2 and negative 3, negative 2, you will get 1 mark. Q, negative 3, negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2. Here, Q, negative 3, negative 2. Okay. From P and Q, draw perpendiculars. Each line you read and do that. From P and Q, draw perpendiculars, PM and QN on the x-axis. Okay. This is PM. To x-axis. To x-axis. To x-axis. This is QN. PM and QN, we draw the perpendiculars. Write down the coordinates of M and N. Write the coordinates of M and N. What is the coordinate M? So first subdivision, M equal to, what is this coordinate? 3, 0. N. This is negative 3, 0. 3, 0 and a negative 3, 0. Then, name the image of P on reflection in the origin. This P, reflection happened through origin. So, how much distance? Diagonally, how much? 3. You have the paper, not graph paper. So, here also diagonally 3. P, 3, 2. Name the image of P. Okay. So, diagonally here also 1 box, 2 box, 3 box here. Here you will reach P dash. That is our Q. This is our P dash also. Because after 3 jumping here, we will reach at Q. So, P dash is negative 3, negative 2. They are asking, second, name the image of P on reflection in the origin. Name the image. So, P dash is equal to negative 3, negative 2 equal to our Q. You write. Then, assign the special name to geometrical figure PMQN. PMQN. Join PMQN. Sorry, this is P. You are getting one parallelogram like this. If you are joining PMQN, you will get a parallelogram like this. Assign the special name to this geometrical figure. You will write the third subdivision answer as parallelogram. And what is its area? Area BH, base into height. Parallelogram area, base into height. But here you don't know height. You know only the slanting height. This is the slanting height. Correct height you don't know. That's why we are calculating this parallelogram. Instead of using BH, I am considering this parallelogram as 2 triangles. 2 equal triangles. A parallelogram will be divided as 2 equal triangles. Okay. So, what is the area of the first triangle? Half BH. What is the area of this triangle? Half BH. So, total BH. Likewise, it will be easy for you to calculate. Okay. So, area equal to twice, 2 times area of one triangle. Area of one triangle, any one triangle, NMP. Area of triangle NMP. Okay. Actually, we have to find the area of the parallelogram. But for our easiness, what we are doing? We will find the area of this triangle and we will multiply by 2. Same effect. Okay. So, area equal to 2 into area of triangle NMP or triangle, this triangle. Any one triangle, both are equal. Equal to 2 into, what is half BH? Half into What is base? How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. Base means this nm, 6 units. And height. Height means this length. How much? 1, 2. 2 units. 2 units. While you are simplifying, you will get 12. 12. Answer is 12. Here you have to write the unit as square units. 12 square units. Okay. If you are calculating in terms of centimeter, it will be another one. So it's better. We don't know which type of graph we are using. Now we are using 1 centimeter as 1 unit. For the board exam, we are using 2 centimeters as 1 unit. So for the safety side, we can do like that, 12 square units. According to the unit, that is the answer. 12 square units. Don't write 12 square centimeter. This will be better. 12 square units. Okay. So, one more question is there. So, these type of questions you have to answer by listing. First subdivision, second subdivision, third subdivision. So, you will get the mark like that instead of writing as an essay. Okay. Just write in brief. First subdivision answer, second subdivision answer like that. Okay. What is the answer for the fourth subdivision? Fourth subdivision they are telling, write the coordinates of the point to which M is mapped on reflection in x-axis. M is mapped. Reflection in x-axis. What is M? What is M? M equal to, write the coordinates of the point to which M is mapped on reflection in, first you decide what is M. M equal to 3, 0. So, M reflection through x-axis. To which point? 3, 0. Reflection happened to the point 3, 0 through x-axis. Okay. What will happen? Y coordinate will change. But here Y coordinate is 0. So, the answer is also 3, 0. 3, 0. Okay. Next subdivision. Write the coordinates of the point to which M is mapped on reflection in y-axis. M, Y, 3, 0. X coordinate will change. The answer is negative 3, 0. And the last subdivision is, write the coordinates of the point M when reflection happened through origin. When reflection happened through origin means both X coordinate and Y coordinate change. So, M origin 3, 0 equal to negative 3, 0. Okay, that's the answer. So, just see all the 5 subdivisions answers are there in one stretch. Okay, this is the way how to find. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we will move to example 7. Here you have to follow the formalities X, Y, X dash, Y dash, origin, everything you have to mark. Okay. And one by one you write the answers like this. Moving on to example 7. Hope that you copied the question in advance. Read the question. Use graph paper for this question. Points A, B, C are the vertices of triangle ABC. Write down the coordinates of A dash, B dash, C dash. If A dash, B dash, C dash is the image of triangle ABC when reflected in the origin. Okay. Then again you find A dash, A double dash, B double dash like that. And after joining this one, you will get a special quadrilateral and you have to name it if it is possible. You have to find its area also. Okay. So all of you mark the points A, B, C. Mark the points A, B, C. What is the point A? And point A is 2, 3. So it will come here. 2, 3. You write there A 2, 3. Not simply 2, 3. A 2, 3. B is 4, 5. 4, 5. 4, 5. This is B 4, 5. This is negative 1. 4, 5. Next one, C7-2. C7-2. This is C7-2. Now you join these, you will get a triangle. You will get a triangle. 1 mark you will get for this marking ABC. Next they told that write down the coordinates of A dash, B dash, C dash when reflection happened through origin. So what will happen when A reflected through origin? How many jumpings here? 1, 2, 3. So here also. Otherwise, theoretically also, what will, if you find any difficulty, you can think theoretically. 2, 3 will become -2, -3, no? A, 2, 3 will become -2, -3 when reflection happened through origin. So -2, -3. But usually if we are using the graph paper, we won't go for the theory. A dash, -2, -3. B, what is it? 4, 5. It's reflection through origin, -4, -5. -4, -5. Here, -4, -5. B dash. Next, C7-2. When reflection happened through origin, -7, -2. This one. Now join these points. Since I am doing on the board, there may be some variation. Hope that you got the correct figure here on the in the third quadrant. Now reflection happened through x-axis. Reflection happened through x-axis and names became A double dash, B double dash, C double dash like that. From here to through x-axis, A dash to A double dash. No, write down the coordinates. Is the image of triangle ABC? Okay. Listen, ABC is here. Its reflection through origin, it became here. Then they told that ABC again reflected through x-axis. So from here, now the image will come here. First I thought that I thought to do another way, but my part is wrong. From first reflection from here to here, over. Then from here nothing happens. That reflection, that process ends. Again, go to the starting. That's you have to read. I told no. The question, sometimes they will tell after reaching here, from here to here they will tell. But in this question they told from here straight away. Again go to the original and reflection happened. That's why I was reading again. Write down the coordinates of A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. If the A double dash, B double dash, C double dash is the image of triangle ABC, not triangle A dash, B dash, C dash, of our original triangle when reflected in the x-axis. So this will come here. Okay. A23. Now I am using theoretically. A23 will become A2 -3. When x-axis reflection happens, y coordinate changes. So it will become 2 -3. So 2 -3 here. This is A dash. See, you have to mark on the graph. Otherwise for the board exam, if they are not writing these coordinates on the graph paper, they will cut the mark. Again, don't write on the back side of the graph sheet. Don't write answers on the answer sheet. After drawing, answers on the answer sheet, not on the graph sheet. Okay, if you are writing on the back side of the graph sheet, they won't mind. Not purposely. When we are writing on the back side, no one will think they will write there and your mark will go. Okay. Then what I told, these markings will be there on the graph sheet itself. and answers one by one with all the formalities. Then only 4 marks question, full 4 marks you will get easily from this chapter. Okay. Then A double dash. B double dash means 4 negative 5. Here. 4 negative 5. C double dash. 7 negative 2. 7 negative 2. 7. X-axis, Y-axis negative 2. C double dash. 7 negative 2. Now you join. Okay. Got it? Now they told that our third subdivision over. Mention the special name of the quadrilateral C double dash, B double dash. I am joining B, C, B double dash, C double dash. B, C, C double dash, B, C, then C double dash, B double dash. Yes. C. B, C, C. B, C already joined. C to C double dash you have to join. C dash to B dash already joined. B double dash to B you have to join. Which figure you are getting? You are getting a trapezium. Please do a light shade just to recognize, because many figures are there, but don't waste much time for the exam for shading and all. There is no special mark for that, but for easiness to recognize, light shading all of you do. Light shading. This is which shape? Trapezium. Trapezium. Okay. So third subdivision will write. What's the special name? Trapezium. Trapezium. You should write the coordinates here. First subdivision, A dash, B dash, C dash, you write. Second subdivision, A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, you write. Then third subdivision, area, trapezium, you write. Trapezium and half h into a plus b, half h into a plus b. Trapezium area is half h into a plus b is equal to half into what is h? What are the parallel sides here? Parallel sides. These two are the parallel sides. What is the height? Height means this one. See, this is correct 90-degree height, not slanting height. Correct 90-degree height. Throw inside. Okay. What is that? 1, 2, 3. So height is 3. What is A? 1, 2. In your graph paper you can measure easily. 3, 4. B, how much? Count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yes, 10. Got it? This is a trapezium. This length from here to here, how many boxes? You will get 4. From here to here, how many boxes? You will get 10. Mark here for plus 10. Answer is 21 square unit. I told no need to write a centimeter. Yes.
In that reflection in the diagram C dash is from unit y-axis first. -7 will come other side. -7 x-axis.
Here you are talking about here.
Yes.
Wait. C is -7, -2. It's correct, no?
-7 should be x-axis.
Correct. Correct. Yes. Kasmin is talking?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, my mistake. I admit. Did you hear? Others? What I think that you marked correctly. That's why you may think that our teacher let her do whatever she wants. We are getting the correct answer maybe. Okay. Then also thank you for spotting my mistake here. Not purposely, by mistake. This is not here. This is correct, no? -4, -5. This one, -2, -. Okay, okay. -7 will come here. What she told, that's correct. -7, -2. Here. This is C dash, what she told. Okay. So, okay. C dash, I marked here, but it was wrong. -7, I had to take on x-axis. -2. Correct. You got the answer also. Now, the chapter is over. Almost all the class works we have done. Class works means worked out works we have done. Now, if you need, we can discuss some problems from exercise 12B. All of you please take exercise 12B. And before that, if there is any doubt, you can ask. After this chapter, I am going to take the first chapter, which is GST. Okay, first chapter which is quite easy, GST, a new topic. Okay, so if there is any doubt, you ask. Otherwise, question number 9, 12B, take as homework. Question number 9, just to go through, and if there is any doubt, you can ask. 12B, question number 9, plot the points. Okay, I told in your graph, here they told no 1 centimeter as 1 unit they told. If you are using that big one, you have to cut the boxes again. Okay, but we are using our paper. A dash is the image of A when reflected in the x-axis. Write down by plotted by reflection. Write down the two. Okay, last, first, second, third, fourth subdivision you will do. Fifth subdivision they are asking, name the two invariance points under reflection in the x-axis. That we don't want this graph and all. Do you know? Name two, can you tell any two invariant points under reflection in the x-axis? Who will tell? Not name is not getting. Fatima, name two invariant points under reflection in the x-axis. Either from the graph or theoretically also you can tell. Just name two invariant points. 40, 50. 40 and 50, what is the specialty? Both lie on x-axis. So automatically they will be invariant under reflection in the x-axis. Okay. That without this graph also you can write, but after drawing the graph also, while you are seeing, you will get the answer. Okay. So that question you will do as homework. Then question number 10 also as homework. Let me read question number 10 also as homework. Point P53 was reflected in the origin to get the image. Write down the coordinates of P dash. If M is foot of the perpendicular from P to the x-axis, find the coordinates of M. Like this question. Not this one, previous one. Find the coordinates and name the figure. Okay. I don't know which shape you are going to get. Find the area of the figure. Anyway, it will be a familiar one. It won't be an irregular one. Okay, either trapezium or parallelogram or triangle. Okay. So, question number 10 also as homework. Then, question number 8. We can read question number 8. Points A and B have coordinates 3, 4 and 0, 2 respectively. Find the image A dash of A under reflection in the x-axis. Okay. B dash, A double dash, B dash of B under reflection in the line A dash. Whether we have to do, first you just to see what is A dash. A is 3, 4. A dash is 3, -4. Just do a rough work with the pencil. You do in your working column and all. And can you answer second subdivision of question 8 and third subdivision of question 8? I will ask you. All of you take a pencil. Just draw a rough one. If I am doing, it may take time. Okay. Then just to see what is A dash. It's which is the line A dash. Then if the reflection happened through say A dash, what happens? All of you find out. I will call the names. No need to see the back side of the book. I want to know the reason. Okay. Steps I want to know. Question number 8. That also has homework. Okay. A dash you will get as A34, A dash 3 negative 4, B dash of B under reflection the line A dash. The line A dash 3 4. This will be A dash 3 negative 4. This will be A dash. So this is the line A dash. Then where is B? Only second subdivision we can discuss now. B is 0 2. 0 2. 0 2. This is B. This is B. What will be its reflection about this mediator line? So how many jumps here? Just to see. 3. 1, 2, 3. So here also 3. Here B dash comes. Okay, that you do like that. I am not trying to get the answer just to save the time. So what you have to do, A dash you will get. Then using A dash you draw a line. This line will act as the mediator. Then you mark B here, and according to if this is the mirror, what will be its image? Just sometimes it may coincide this A or A dash. That's why I stopped there. Okay, sometimes like last problem, P dash and Q coincided, no? Like that. Anyway, what will happen here, B dash, that you have to write. Again, A double dash is the image of A under the reflection in the y-axis. So A double dash will be A double dash how you are getting? If the reflection happens the original one through y-axis. So negative 3, 4. That will be A double dash. A double dash happens when reflection happened through y-axis to A, not to A dash. A to A dash happens when reflection happened through x-axis. A to A double dash happens when reflection happened to the A through y-axis. Then again join A and A double dash in the graph book, and what will be the image of B when A double dash will act as a mirror line, and that answer will be called as B double dash. Everything you have to write in detail. No need of any whether anybody wants to do that question in the class? Anybody wants? No. Question number 2, without discussion I am giving as homework because similar one we have done in the class. Do you remember L1, L2 and what is its equation they asked? So it happened invariant points, invariant happened through x-axis. So it will be on, a point lies on x-axis, so that reflection line will be through x-axis. So it will be, answer will be x-axis, its equation is y equals 0 like that. We did one question in the class, L1, L2 like that, same type of question. Okay, so question number 2 as homework. Do you feel difficult this chapter? Why I am giving as homework? Because if you are discussing sometimes half an hour for one question, but if you are doing, taking time at home, it's easy. Okay, if anybody wants, Antonio is there? Antonio, whether I want to discuss question number 2 or question number 8? Sincerely you tell. If you want, you tell. Question number 2. L1, L2 I told no. That question we have done such a question in the class. So I am not discussing whether you need it. Are you talking sincerely? You know how to do. And then what about question number 8? 12B question number 8. What I discuss halfway here. Is it clear for you? A and B is clear, C and D is not clear. A double dash of one reflection in the y-axis. C is this one. What will be A double dash? They told that A double dash you will get when reflection happen to A through y-axis. This is A. Reflection happen through y-axis means this A will become negative 3, 4. If reflection happen through y-axis means x coordinate will change. So 3 will become negative 3. There is no change here. A to A dash, how it happened? Y-axis reflection. Y-axis reflection means x coordinate change. So 3, 4 will become negative 3, 4. So third subdivision answer, negative 3, 4. Then, then fourth one, you have to draw the line A double dash. That while we are reading, many confusions are coming, but if you are doing step by step, very easy. Okay. Now, A is this one, 3, 4. This is A. A negative 3, 4 means what? Negative 3, 4. This one. This is A double dash. Now draw a line. Now this will act as the mirror line. If this is acting as the mirror line, what will happen to B? That's their question. Where is B? B is 0, 2. This is B's position, 0, 2. This is the mirror line. So, here how many jumpings? 2. Maybe that while you are taking the graph sheet. So, here also 2. So, you will reach here. What is that point? 0, 6. So, you will write B double dash is 0, 6. Hope that you could understand. First you have to decide which is the mirror line. After getting the mirror line, you draw that one in your graph book. Then the point you consider and how many jumpings here, that many jumpings there, where you reach, that you will write as B dash. Okay? So one by one you do. So question number 2, 8, 9, 10 homework. Question number 11, if you need, I will do. If I am giving everything as homework, P and Q have coordinates. 15, use graph paper, reflect A with origin. Question number 15, that's a 2013 board exam question. Do as homework, it's a clear-cut question, it's very straight question. Okay. Question number 15, also homework. I won't ask tomorrow. You are bothered about, because you have to manage for the test paper, then these homeworks also. So, homeworks not for tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow max class is there, but for day after tomorrow. For Wednesday only, I will ask. Okay? So, you are getting time, no? Question number 15, homework. Then question number 16 also homework. In that third subdivision you cut. That third subdivision is out of syllabus. They are asking something about symmetry. It was there till last year. Now symmetry portion not there. So third subdivision no need to answer. Question number 16. So all the homeworks over. 17 also last part from outside, out of syllabus that you can do. Even if it is a 2017 question, you can do easily. Nothing to worry. So once more, 2, 8, 9, 10 and 15 and 16 homeworks. Okay. The remaining time I will try to do question number 11 and 13 as classwork. Okay. All of you read question number 11 after my class. You can write on the right side of the graph sheet. All of you take a new graph sheet, take a new graph paper, and right side you have to write after the class the question. Now you read the question. Question number 11, all of you read. We will do on the board. Point P3, all of you read. Point P34 is reflected to P dash. All of you do. See, please note down one thing I had to tell. Question number 2, no need to use graph book. L1, L2, that question, no need to use graph book. Theoretically, you can answer. Homework, question number 2, no need of graph book. Okay, do in the notebook. I told if they told you have to use the graph book, then only you can. Do one thing, 8. Question number 8 also in the notebook. They didn't tell you have to use the graph book. They didn't tell. So question number 8 also in the notebook. Question number 8 also in the notebook. What I discussed for Antonio now, that one. Question number 10 you need graph book because they are asking the area and the figure and all, no? So understood, even if they didn't tell, they didn't ask about the graph paper, but you have to. Question number 10, 9 and all using graph book. Question number 11, you need graph book. Why? Because we need geometrical name of the figure. We want to get the figure. So in 11, what we are doing now, we need the graph book. 15 graph book we need, 16 graph book we need. That everything they told, whether we need it or not. Okay. So chapter over. Next class, homework for Wednesday. Tomorrow I will start with GST. Okay. No need to wait for me. You can do. 0.34. 0.34 marked. Reflected to P dash in the x-axis. Reflected to P dash in the x-axis. X-axis is the mirror line. So 1, 2, 3. Jumpings here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here P dash 3, -4. Okay. O dash is the image of O in the origin. O dash is the image of O when reflected in the line PP dash. PP dash. This is the line PP dash. I am drawing with the dotted line. And origin O is 0, 0. Reflection happened to this origin when PP dash is acting as the mirror line. Where will be the reflected point? You can name it as O dash. Okay. O will become O dash after reflection Which is the mirror line? P dash is the mirror line. So where it will be? Eva Reggie. Where it will be? From here, how many jumpings? 1, 2, 3. Tell me the answer. Eva is there? Eva? Not there? No? Eva. Eva? Isabel? Isabel? Eva. Or Isabel. For your sister, you answer. Isabel. I miss. Tell me. This is the origin. This is the mirror line. What will be its reflection? No. Angel Tania. Angel. Not there. Angel Tania, not there. Maria Anthony. All of you boycotted. What happened? Maria? Maria. Where will be the reflection of O? No. See, this is a mirror line. Anyway, you responded to me. Thank you. This is, listen. This is the mirror line. This is the mirror. Object is here. 3 distance apart. Object. So here 3 distance apart its image. It will come here. This is O dash. What is the point? 6, 0. Got it? Mirror line, this one to image and to the object same distance. 6, 0 is the answer. O dash 6, 0. So you have to write P dash 3, negative 4. O dash 6, 0. Now, second subdivision. The length of the segments P dash and O dash. Length of the segments P dash. Okay, what is its length? Maria again. Maria Anthony. What is the length of the segment? You count. You are doing in the graph book, no? How many boxes? P to P dash. That's the length. Length of the segments. P dash and O dash. Both you calculate. Those who finish, find the perimeter of the quad. That figure. Maria? 8 units, correct. 8 units, no? Good. It's correct, 8 units. What will be the length of O dash? Trisha? What will be the length of O dash? 6, correct, 6. So you write P dash equal to 8 units. O dash equal to 6 units. Third subdivision. How you got O dash? This one you count 6. Then what is the, now you have to join P dash O dash. P dash O dash. What shape you are getting? Rhombus. Sorry, third subdivision, what is its perimeter? Then what is the name? Fourth subdivision answer, rhombus. Just to check corner is 90 degree or not. If it is not 90 degree, it's rhombus. Third subdivision, what is its perimeter? What is this length? How many diagonally the boxes? You count. 4, how much you are getting? 5. Just with the scale, otherwise you measure one side. Then into 4. One side you measure that plus this plus this plus this. What will be the perimeter? Maria Denny. Perimeter. Maria, you tell. Maria Denny is not there. Jaswin. What is it? Only 20 you will write? 20? 20 units. Right, 20, correct, good. 20 units. Because you will get one side as 5. Then 4 into 5, 20 units. Likewise, you told the answer. Now, move to question number 13. Question number 13, the last question. P and Q have coordinates, 0 and P is invariant on an x-axis. Question number 13. All of you mark question number 13, question after the class. Now you mark. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. P, Q have coordinates 0, 5 and -2, 4. Whether we need the graph book, 1 minute, whether we need the graph book. Question number 13, P and Q have coordinates. P is invariant when reflected in x-axis, name the axis. You don't want question number 13, you don't want the graph book, so please do from home. Don't want the graph book, they didn't tell. If they told that find the name of the figure or area and all, so otherwise they had to tell the static. So if we can answer now. No need of graph book. Question number 13, no need of graph book. That paper you can use for some your homeworks. Anyway, you marked only, no? Okay. Just please try to answer A, B, C, D. Now I will ask. P and Q have coordinates 0, 5 and -2, 4. P is invariant when reflected in an x-axis. P is invariant when reflected in axis. Name the axis. P lies on which axis? P 0, 5. X coordinate is 0. So it will lie on y-axis. So which will be the reflected axis? That will be y-axis. First subdivision answer is y-axis. Is it correct what I told? Any doubt? Any doubt? Just listen. Listen here. No need of any graph book and all. P05. This point lies on y-axis because its x coordinate is 0. So this lies on y-axis. If it lies on y-axis, it will be invariant for the reflection of the y-axis. We have written as a note. Therefore, reflection in y-axis or invariant, or that means no change in y-axis. First subdivision answer, name the axis, y-axis. If they ask its equation, you will write x is equal to 0. Okay. Second subdivision, find the image of Q on reflection in the axis found in A. So first subdivision answer should be correct for the exam. Then only second subdivision will be correct. First subdivision answer it is, you can write with the pencil, it is y-axis, no? So name the image of Q when reflection happened through y-axis. Who will tell? Anybody? Amlin? 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 Q, what is Q? -2, 4. Q, negative 2, 4 happened through y-axis. So what will be the answer? X coordinate will change. 2, 4. When y-axis reflection happened, x coordinate will change. It will, yes. Amblin, did you get the answer? Amblin? Amblin is not there. Amblin Johnson? Not there. So how many of them joined today? Only 33. Okay. Third subdivision, anyway, recorded session, if you want, you will get 0k on reflection, the origin is invariant, write the value of k. So the remaining questions you do. Students are, and time also up, I think, 5 minutes extra I have taken. Third subdivision, fourth subdivision, we will discuss in the next class. Anyway, that chapter is over. If I am discussing in a hurry, very few students will get. Anyway, first and second subdivisions okay, ne? Third and fourth subdivisions in the next class, and we will discuss the homeworks also on Wednesday. On Wednesday, tomorrow I will start GST. Today's test paper, you have to prepare well. Okay, thank you.